Here's pre-quiz 1.2. Let's take a look. So first, in each of the problems below, use the distributive property to rewrite the expression. So, distributive property says I take this number on the outside and multiply. So, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times negative 5 is negative 30. And then it's negative 30n. In the next problem, the number on the outside, it seems to be just a negative sign, but in fact this is the number negative 1. Negative 1 is being multiplied. Negative 1 times negative 2. Negative times a negative is a positive. 1 times 2 is 2. And negative 1 times positive n. So negative times a positive is a negative, and 1 times n is n. You can also write 1n, that's fine, okay? Or just n is also fine. Both of those are okay. Number 3. In each of the problems below, combine like terms to simplify the expression. So here I have negative 10v and I have a positive 6v. These are like terms. I'm going to combine them. Right? I have a negative 10 and a positive 6. So I know some of you are past this, right? But we're just visualizing. These are all going to cancel. I'm left with negative 4. Negative 4v. In this next problem, I have like terms. I have 7x is like terms with negative 2x. The negative 4 does not have another term that's like it, so I'm just going to bring it down. And then 7x minus 2x, I have positive 7x and negative 2x. Those cancel and leave me with plus 5x. This answer is fine. It can also be written in the other order, 5x minus 4, right? As long as the 5x is positive and the 4 is negative, either answer is fine. Let's take a look at the back. I'm just going to peel mine off. On the back, number 5. It says use the distributive property and combine like terms to simplify each expression. So first thing I'm going to do is use the distributive property. This one is a little bit tricky because this is a negative 5 here. That is a negative 5 that's being distributed. Okay, so I'm going to bring down that 10. And then negative 5 times 9. Negative 5 times 9 is negative 45n. And negative 5 times negative 9. Negative times negative is a positive. 5 times 9, also 45. So I've done the distributive property, and now I'm going to combine like terms. So that's 10 and 45 are like terms. There's no other term with an n in it, so this is not like terms. So that's negative 45n. And then 10 plus 45 is 55. This answer is totally correct. Also totally correct is to write it in the other order, like this. Okay, either of those is totally fine. And then last problem, here I'm actually going to distribute twice. Let me move this up a tiny bit. So first, here and here. 5 times negative 2n is negative 10n. 5 times 4 is 20. Then next, 2 times n is 2n. And 2 times 3 is 6. And everything's positive on that end, right? There's no negative numbers here at all. Okay, so now like terms. I notice there's a term with an n right here and a term with an n right here. That's negative 10 plus 2. So if I visualize 10 negative signs and then 2 positive signs, so 2 negative signs are going to cancel out. But I'm going to still be left with 8 negative signs. It's negative 8n. And then I have 20 plus 6, so that's 20 positive signs plus 6 positive signs for a total of 26 positive signs. And so if this answer is correct, again, also this is okay. Either one is fine.